Today we'd like to introduce you to our security picture hanging system. This system allows you to securely place any picture or mirror on a wall in order for it to remain securely in place. This system is ideal for hotels, restaurants, or any location where security is a key factor. The system is very simple. Attach your hook braces to the very top of your wall where your picture is going to be attached, and the patented security screw to the bottom where the picture will be. On the back of your frame, mount your brackets and simply hang your frame over the top hooks. The bottom will attach into the security screw, and with the included tool, simply reach in behind the picture frame and give the security screw a quarter of a turn. By doing this, it securely locks the picture in place. Everything you need to install one picture comes in the kit.
The kit comes with everything you need to do one full installation. The top two brackets to mount to your wall with mounting hardware, the 3 brackets to mount to the back of your picture frame, plus screws, and then the patented security screw plus mounting hardware to mount to the wall. Along with each kit comes the necessary tool needed for the installation.